Hello and welcome to Health Professional Radio. My name is Patrick Reyes, and on today's show we have Cameron Fuller. He is the NAB Executive General Manager, Specialized Banking, and he's here to talk about recent findings following a report on Australia's health services sector. Welcome to the show, Cameron.
Thank you, Patrick.
Thank you. And go ahead and give the audience a little bit of what you do and where you do it.
Yeah, thanks, Patrick. As you said, Executive General Manager, Specialised Banking at National Australia Bank, which includes NAB Health, which is a business that supports the broader health industry. We bank about 30,000 health practitioners, dentists, GPs, physios, allied health, in regards to their business banking and finance needs.
All right. And so there was a survey done. It was the NAB or Medfin Health Practitioner Survey. Can you tell us what the objective of the survey was?
Yeah, thanks, Patrick. Actually, there's two reports that we released about Australia's health service sector. One is our inaugural health practitioner survey through our Medfin business, and the other was actually our NAB Health Consumer Indicator. So I'll talk to both of those. The NAB Health Consumer Indicator, which is based on transactions made through NAB Health's claims and payment processing system, HICAPS, provides unique insight into Australian household spending for patient care, and it shows us that it grew by 3.4% year on year in the September quarter. So basically, it's showing that there's positive spending happening on allied health services, which is higher than the broader economic growth. In addition, the Health Practitioner Survey has found that across the overall industry, the optimism is high for Aussie health practitioners, with reporting positive business confidence in the last 6 months, and more importantly, business confidence is higher than the general confidence in the business community for the next 6 months. So this is a really good time for the sector, and actually also reflects what I hear when I go out and talk to our customers out in the field, our health practitioners. It's a very good time for business in health.
All right, and it's more specific to health practitioners as it benefits them?
Yeah, that's right. It's specific to health practitioners. So we're talking, for example, dental practitioners and smaller firms actually felt the most confident in relation to areas like staffing, while larger practices and other practitioners such as hospitals, optometry, physiotherapy outperformed in terms of sales and profitability. So the overall high confidence, but does vary a little bit amongst the different sorts of health practitioners.
So let's get more into about NAB Health. What is it that NAB Health does?
So NAB Health has about 30,000 health customers, and National Australia Bank being a bank, we provide solutions to those customers on their banking needs, their wealth management needs, their transactional account needs, and really what we're wanting to do is help the customer or the medical practitioner from the time they're a student, the time when they're looking to start up their practice, build and grow their practice, to the time where they're looking to then divest their practice and how they manage their future going forward. So really through the life cycle of the customer, we're there to support with the various products and services that we are able to offer and provide to help fulfill the growth that they can enjoy.
Now, among your customers, what would you say is the biggest misconception that they may have?
Amongst the customers in relation to National Australia Bank is we just do lending. We actually do a lot more than lending, and as per our broader motto, we're about more than money. We really want to help our customers with their transactional banking, with their point of sale systems, whether that's the HICAPS solution, which is a proprietary NAB product, whether it's with insurance to give them protection around their lending or around their assets. It's around making sure we're looking at the whole picture of the client, whether that's wealth management needs, lending needs, transactional needs, and really helping them grow and their business be the best it can be. Not just trying to get a loan out there to them, we're actually trying to do a lot more than that and actually grow with them, because their success is our success.
All right, and now for our listeners out there, what's a message you'd like to leave them as being part of Health Professional Radio?
The message is really that National Australia Bank is deeply into the health industry. We bank a large portion of it. We're Australia's biggest bank that deals into the sector. And the reports that we've done, as well as listening to our customers, tell us that it's a really good time for this sector. It's growing greater than the general economic growth of the nation. The customers themselves are reporting positive business conditions, as evidenced through our surveys, plus evidence when we go out and talk to them. It's a really good time to be growing your business and to be in the health business. And obviously, we want to help that growth, and more than happy to continue on, be on that journey with the healthcare industry.
Why are the two reports, the NAB Health Practitioner Survey and the NAB Health Consumption Indicator, how are those relevant to health professionals?
They're relevant to health professionals because they're tracking, one's tracking the actual dollars that are going through, that's the Health Consumer Indicator, is actually tracking the dollar spend that's going through the claim payment and processing system called HICAPS, and it's providing a unique insight, which we have as a collector of that information, into Australian household spending for patient care services for practitioners such as speech pathologists, ophthalmologists, dentists, physiotherapists, etc., who all use HICAPS, and it shows that spend is actually growing greater than the general economy. And the Health Practitioner Survey is a survey of practitioners, so it's what they're telling us that they're feeling and seeing out there in their world, which is a level of confidence.
All right. It's been a pleasure talking to you today, Cameron. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Patrick. Thanks for the opportunity.
Yep. Now, you've been listening to Health Professional Radio. I'm your host, Patrick Reyes, and we've been in studio with Cameron Fuller, the Executive General Manager, Specialized Banking at NAB, as we talked about the recent findings following a report on Australia's health services sector. Transcripts and audio of this program are available at healthprofessionalradio.com.au and also at hpr.fm, and you can subscribe to this podcast on iTunes.